This Sunday morning we are doing a little walking.
Closet. Okay, closet.
So we are here walking from up above there. So we calculated it's about 2,000 steps in 15 minutes walks from hills to hills.
Ya aja tuh.
But it's not that higher because the air quality is good. We have so much oxygen here, and we are going to our camp, our tent to make some breakfast.
Breakfast.
What's for breakfast, ma'am? What are you gonna cook? You're gonna cook a freaking noodles, instant noodles.
Alias kita udah dapat makan belum sih?
Apa?
Udah dapat makan belum sih? Breakfastnya udah datang belum?
Udah kayaknya. Udah, dadah. Dadah dong, dadah.